barley tea might just be the hidden gem your daily routine needs. Whether you're a tea lover or looking for a healthier beverage alternative, this is something you don't want to miss. So, does barley tea have caffeine? The answer may surprise you. Barley tea, a popular drink in many Asian cultures, is steadily gaining global recognition. It's roasted, aromatic, and brimming with benefits. But here's what makes it truly unique: it's naturally caffeine-free. That's right, this wholesome beverage offers a refreshing alternative to traditional teas and coffees without the jittery side effects of caffeine. Perfect for any time of day, barley tea might be the change you've been looking for. For many of us, reducing caffeine intake is a constant challenge. While coffee and traditional teas can energize us, they sometimes come with drawbacks: restless nights, anxiety, or even dependency. If you've ever felt the struggle to find a calming drink that doesn't affect your sleep, barley tea is a great solution. But why should you consider making it a staple in your diet? First, barley tea is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and promote overall wellness. Second, it supports digestion, making it a great post-meal choice. Third, it helps maintain hydration with its light, clean taste. Fourth, barley tea can be consumed by anyone including kids thanks to its caffeine-free nature. And finally, its warm, toasty flavor has a calming effect, making it perfect for unwinding after a long day. Still wondering why barley tea deserves a spot in your kitchen? Think of it as more than a beverage. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Unlike sugary drinks or caffeinated teas, barley tea offers benefits without compromises. Whether you drink it hot in winter or cold in summer, it's a versatile companion for all seasons. In summary, barley tea is not only caffeine-free, but also a treasure trove of health benefits. Give it a try. You might find yourself reaching for it more often than you'd expect. If this sparked your interest, hit the like button and subscribe for more health-focused content. Let us know in the comments, have you tried barley tea? If so, what's your favorite way to enjoy it? And don't forget to share this video with friends who are looking for a caffeine-free lifestyle.